In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer field in ManyChat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a custom user field so you can store the specific information your automation needs, like preferences, order IDs, or eligibility flags. Start by opening ManyChat and heading to the Home tab. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace for the page or bot you want to manage. If you have multiple workspaces, check the account switcher so you don't accidentally add a field to the wrong project. On the left-hand menu, look for Settings and click it. This is where ManyChat keeps platform-wide configuration, including user fields. Once you're inside Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Fields, then open it. This page lists all your existing custom user fields and is the hub for creating new ones. Click New User Field to begin. You'll see a panel where you can define the field. Start with a clear descriptive name. Aim for something your future self and teammates will understand at a glance, like preferred language, loyalty tier, or last order number. Avoid special characters and keep the name concise but specific. Next, choose the field type. Pick text if you're storing words or mixed characters, number for values you might calculate or compare, date for timestamps like a subscription start, and yes is a no for a simple toggles such as consent or VIP status. Selecting the right type is important because it affects how you can filter audiences, build conditions, and run automation logic later. Add a brief description. This is optional but highly recommended. Use it to explain what data goes here, where it comes from, and any formatting rules. For example, ISO date set when user opts in, or numeric points used for rewards. This small note prevents confusion when teams grow or when you return months later. When everything looks good, click Create. ManyChat will add your new custom user field to the list. From here, you can reference it in flows, assign values with actions, store answers from user inputs, and use it in conditions for targeted messaging. If you ever need to rename or remove a field, return to this fields page, but be cautious. Deleting a field removes its stored data. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Establish a naming convention early to keep your fields organized. Choose the most specific type you can to enable stronger filters, and be mindful about collecting only what you truly need, especially when handling personal data. That's it. Your custom user field is created and ready for use in your automation. Thanks for watching.